Hi everyone, welcome back. This is part 2 of virtual hosts and Apache configurations. In this video, I'm going to talk about rewrite module and indexes. So in my previous video, we created a virtual host and we hosted this website on PHP-website. So now if I try to go to a URL which does not exist, so we are getting this error not found. So what we want to do now, we want to redirect this page to the home page in case the URL does not exist. So to implement this, I'll go to the virtual host configuration file, which in our case is php-website.conf, and inside the directory tag, I'm going to set the rewrite engine to on. After which I'll define the rewrite conditions. So once these conditions are satisfied, the rewrite rule will be applied. So the condition that I'm going to write here is I'll check if there is any file in the path matching the URI. So for that I'll write request underscore file name, which will fetch the current URI, and to check the file we'll have to write the flag -f. So we have to check the same thing for directories also, and for that we'll just replace the flag f with the flag d, which represents the directory. Now I'm defining the rewrite rule. So the rule is that in case of invalid URLs, we have to redirect the page to home screen or the home page. So I'll save this file, but before we restart the server, you might want to enable the rewrite module, for which you can write something like a2 and mod rewrite, and after that you can restart the server. So now let's go to the browser and let's write some invalid URL, and as you can see we have been redirected to the home page. Now just to make it more clear, let me go back to PHP Storm and I'll create another file. So now if we go to the browser and we are in the second page, and if we try to go to any invalid URL, it should redirect us to the first page. So if I make it invalid, and as you can see we have been redirected to the home page. Now I will talk to you about another problem, for which I will create a directory first. And this assets directory can have any document that is publicly available. So if I go to the browser, you will notice that I'm able to access this document. But if I go back to the assets, and you will see that I'm also able to browse all these files inside the folder, which should not be the case. Even if the file is publicly available, you should not let the user browse all the files inside that folder. So to prevent this, I'll go to the console and I'll open our virtual host configuration file again. And here I'll just remove these indexes, but in some cases you might want to keep these indexes there only. And if you want to restrict these indexes for a particular path or a folder, what you can do is you can create a separate directory tag with the path, and inside which you can mention these options followed by dash indexes. So what that will do is it will enable the indexes throughout the project except the mentioned folder. So for now, let me just erase these indexes. I'll save the file and have to restart the server. So now we are getting this forbidden on assets and we are still able to access the document. So that was a very basic explanation of rewrite module and indexes. And in my next video, I'll talk to you about logging, and I'll also show you how you can access your local host in your mobile. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.